Are you looking for how to do paper trading on the TradingView platform? Here it is. First, you must log into your account and then click on the trading panel on the lower end. There you can find paper trading by TradingView. Click on Connect button. There is no risk of losing the real money. Read the pop-up message. There you go, you can see free virtual money. You can place the orders in equity and futures, but can't place orders in options. I only show these for educational purposes. I'm going to place the order using this free virtual money. You can check the P&L. If you want to close the trade, click on the cross symbol. You can see pop up on your screen, order closed. If you want to update your free virtual money, go to paper trading and click on reset. You can update this money again and again, how much you want. Now, I'm going to place the orders selling and buying equity stocks by using this virtual money. You can see all those things in your positions. You can check the orders and account history. A few moments later, after adding few things, you can see all the equity and futures with how much quantity you have added to your positions. You can clearly see P&L on the screen. I did this by using the free virtual money provided by TradingView.